The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross facelift has just rolled off the assembly line in Thailand. The SUV has undergone a transformation, offering sleek design changes and feature upgrades that promise to enhance your driving experience. First, let's talk about design. The 2025 Corolla Cross exudes modernity with its fresh exterior, featuring a striking new grille decorated with a charming honeycomb pattern. But that's not all. LED headlights with sleek sequential indicators add a touch of sophistication. Step inside, interior upgrades. Say goodbye to the cumbersome foot-operated parking brake. It's been replaced by a convenient electronic handbrake, but the improvements don't stop there. With a sophisticated 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a dynamic 10.1-inch infotainment system complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Under the hood, Toyota offers two powerful engine options to meet your driving needs. 1.8-liter self-charging hybrid petrol engine for environmentally friendly efficiency, producing 90 kilowatts of power and 163 Newton-meters, and the full potential of the conventional 1.8-liter petrol engine, which produces an impressive 103 kilowatts and 172 Newton-meters of power. With fuel efficiency figures as low as 4.3 liters per 100 kilometers for the hybrid model and 6.8 liters per 100 kilometers for the conventional engine. So there you have it, a tantalizing glimpse into the future of driving with the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross facelift. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting updates.